Alex, how important is the tool holder in all this process?
Yeah, it's an essential part of the horn process, and we have a state-of-the-art in-house tool holder manufacturing facility with state-of-the-art machinery.
Because you can only be as good as your weakest link, can't you? I mean, we take some of these tools here, and you look at something like that, and you think to yourself, there's a lot of seating areas. There's a lot of there's a lot of different inserts going in different places. The security of them, all of those aspects. If you get one of those wrong, you're only as good as I say, the weakest part.
Yeah, certainly. As you said, all of our inserts are precision ground, but really fundamental in that process is the seating or the location of the insert into the tool holder. We do have some patterns on seat-ins, locations, things like that, which really does improve the accuracy of the tools overall.
Does it matter what you make them out of as well? I mean, what grades of material?
Yeah, most of our tool holders are manufactured from steel. They might go through a series of hardening processes or tempering to get to the end product.
And when you get to that end product, the key is to make it in one hit, essentially, which we're doing here on this fabulous DMG Mori machine. I suppose for you guys here at Horn, that makes life even easier, doesn't it, to be able to make these parts in one hit?
Yeah, certainly. I think the integration of turning and milling machines into multi-purpose units has certainly helped us reach a finished product faster.
And you're making all of your tool holders within the range, all here in Germany, because I mean, we must have 30, 40, 50 multi-purpose machines?
Yeah, there's a number of machines, as you say, in this premises, and also many more over in Unit 1. We produce our entire range of tool holders in-house, so we can control and regulate every process.
And the noise, they're all running, they're all machining. You must be selling a lot.
We've got to stay busy, we've got to stay running.